and teachers. To take us to this journey of achievements and milestones, I now invite our students to kindly present the annual report of the academic year 2025-26.
With immense gratitude to Almighty God and a deep sense of pride, I feel honored to present the annual report of St. Thomas High School, Newsweek, for the academic year 2025 and 26. This report is a true reflection of our school's collective efforts, achievements and steady progress throughout the year. Guided by our vision of imparting quality education rooted in values, discipline and holistic development, our institution has continuously strived to nurture young minds into responsible, confident and compassionate citizens. The academic year 2025 and 26 has been a journey of learning, innovation, dedication and success made possible by the committed leadership, devoted teachers, supportive parents and enthusiastic students. This report highlights significant milestones, academic excellence, co-curricular achievements and all-round development that define the vibrant life of our school.
St. Thomas High School aims to further enhance academic excellence through modern teaching methods and improved infrastructure. The school plans to strengthen digital learning, co-cultural activities and value-based education to ensure the holistic development of every student. With the continued support of the management, staff and parents, the school looks forward to a progressive and purposeful future.
We are glad that our 10 students of 2024-25 batch brought laurels to school. Out of 72 students, more than 34 students secured above 500 marks. P. Himabindu secured 576 marks and stood as the topper of the school, followed by M.D.C. Shalom, second with 574 marks, and KVS Mahita, third with 573 marks. We feel very proud of our students' success in SSC public examinations.
We thank you for your part in our journey. We are grateful to Ran Brother Chinnapreddy Garu for his 3 years of selfless service to St. Thomas High School. As he was transferred to St. Paul's High School, Hyderabad, we thanked him, prayed for him and bid a farewell to him with a heavy heart. Ran Brother Kishore Kumar Garu was appointed as new principal in place of Ran Brother Chinnapreddy Garu. Brother Hiran, Mr. Kalyan and Mrs. Jnanasudha were appointed and welcomed as the new staff for the academic year 2025 and 26.
The school reopened on 12th June, marking the beginning of the new academic year with renewed hope and enthusiasm. The students returned to the campus with cheerful faces and fresh aspirations, while teachers prepared themselves to guide the young minds with dedication and commitment.
On the occasion of professional enrichment, the staff of our school had the privilege of attending an inspiring seminar by the retired Telugu teacher Sri E. Seshaya Garu on 10th June. The session was conducted in the school premises and was attended by the teaching staff across all departments.
The school office was beautifully renovated and inaugurated by former principal Reverend Brother Chinnapreddy Garu, present principal Reverend Brother Kishore Kumar Garu and vice principal Reverend Brother Sujan Reddy Garu, making a memorable moment of pride and celebration for the school community.
Class-wise assemblies were conducted regularly, giving students opportunities to express their talents through speeches, skits, thought of the day and moral messages, thereby building confidence and communication skills. A special leadership training program for SPLs and GPLs of all non-phone schools was traffic rules, pedestrian safety and responsible behavior on roads. The program instilled discipline and a civic sense among students. Our school recently organized a 3-day Maths and Science exhibition which turned to the grand success. This exhibition provided a platform for our students to showcase their innovative ideas, creativity and scientific temper. From interactive models and experiments in mathematical puzzles and scientific projects, the students displayed exceptional talent and understanding of concept. Each display reflected not only their hard work but also the curiosity and enthusiasm for learning. The exhibition was visited by parents, teachers and fellow students who appreciated their
Students to develop confidence, global outlook and effective speaking skills.
as Nissi Vasalya along with Mrs. Prasanna teacher actively participated in this program. The sessions focused on leadership skills, discipline, responsibility, teamwork and value-based education, helping the student leaders to grow in confidence and become responsible role models in their school. Special events were organized by war students, strengthening alumni bonds and inspiring parent students through interaction, guidance and shared experiences. experiences. They conducted a motivational seminar for the students to inspire them towards positive thinking, goal setting, and self-confidence. The session encouraged students to overcome challenges, develop discipline, and strive for excellence in both academics and life. All students of St. Thomas High School, who presently serving as staff, visited a local old age home and spent quality time with the residents. They distributed rice bags, food items, and snacks, bringing smiles to the elderly and creating a heartwarming experience of sharing and caring. An World Student meeting was held at Boys Town, Hyderabad, in which the world students of our school, under the leadership of Mr. M. Rajesh, actively participated. The gathering strengthened alumni bonds, revived fond memories, and shared their experiences and bonding with the school.
A special hygiene awareness seminar was organized for the girl students of high school section by our biology teacher, Mrs. Durga. The program focused on personal hygiene, health awareness, and adolescent care. It helps students to gain knowledge and understand the importance of maintaining good health and hygiene.
As per the orders of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, the Education Department organized plant distribution during the mega parent-teachers meeting. Following the motto, the Education Department provided saplings to all the students of our school, encouraging environmental responsibility and green awareness among young minds. A mega parent-teacher meeting was organized to strengthen the bond between parents and the school. Parents actively interacted with teachers to review the students' academic progress, discipline, and overall development. The meeting promoted effective communication and mutual cooperation for the holistic growth of students. A coordinators meeting was held at Montfort Bhavan, Hyderabad, with the objective of strengthening academic planning, coordination, and effective implementation of institutional goals. From our school, Mr. K.V. Srinivas, Mrs. Satya Parvati, and Mrs. S. Maria actively participated in this meeting.
An enriching communication skill program was conducted
Of our young learners. The event was truly highlighted on the importance of hands-on learning and joy of discovery. Over the 3 days, our students confidently explained about their projects, demonstrating excellent communication skills and a deeper understanding of their work. This exhibition has once again enforced our commitment to nurture curiosity, critical thinking, and practical knowledge among our students.
Our students actively participated in Maths and Science Olympiad, enhancing their logical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and competitive spirits at various levels.
Class picnics were organized to provide students joyful learning beyond classrooms. These trips strengthen peer bonding, enhance observation skills, and offer relaxation along with fun-filled experiences. Students participated in various ENADU competitions, showcasing their talents in literary and cultural activities, and brought laurels to the school. Various competitions were organized as a part of Grandhalaya Varotsavalu to promote reading habits, creativity, and love for literature among students. A number of students participated in both ENADU and library competitions and received many prizes. National level Molecule Fest was held from 6th to 9th November, in which nearly 25 schools took part, showcasing exceptional talent and competitive spirit. 23 of our students participated in those competitions and brought great laurels to the institution by winning gold, silver, and bronze medals. Students of St. Thomas High School Newsweek actively participated in journal, district, and state level games competitions and showcased commendable sportsmanship and talent. A number of students were selected to journal level. Their dedication and consistent performance led to the selection of VVC and P. Nagadipika for district level competitions. M. Dharani and M. Tejesh selected for state level basketball competitions. This achievement brought pride to the school and reflected the importance given to sports and physical education.
The annual sports day was conducted successfully over 2 days exclusively to our students. The events were organized house-wise, involving all 4 houses, which actively competed with a great enthusiasm and sportsmanship. Students participated in various track and field events, team games, and fundraisers displaying physical fitness, discipline, and sportsmanship. The sports day fostered unity, leadership qualities, and a healthy competitive spirit among students.
In alignment with the national mission Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the NCC cadets of St. Thomas High School Newsweek actively participated in a cleanliness
type. The program emphasized the importance of hygiene, cleanliness and environmental responsibility. Through practical involvement, students learned the value of civic duty and social responsibility. Under the guidance of Mr. K.V. Srinivas Garu, our NCC cadets conducted a No Drugs rally, celebrated Yoga Day and actively participated in Swachh Bharat initiatives. At the NCC Combined Annual Training Camp in Vuyuru, nearly 600 students took part and our cadets won the gold medal in volleyball, bringing pride to our school. 69th Andhra Pradesh Inter-District School Games Federation Under 17 conducted Fictional Championship which was held at Mori, East Godavari District. KVS Japaveda of Class 9 has participated in Sabar Group event and won the bronze medal. Karate classes were conducted to promote physical fitness, discipline, self-confidence and self-defense skills. Students showed keen interest and active participation.
Investiture ceremony for the academic year 2025 and 26 was a significant event where our school entrusted the upcoming leaders their responsibilities with a pledge to preserve the pride of the school. The young leaders were filled with spirit of leadership as they were administered the oath of office and were handed over their badges licensed by Honorable Chief Guest Sri KVV MV Prasad Garu, the Deputy Superintendent of Police, Newsweek, and the guest of honor, Reverend Father Lamu Jairaju Garu, the parish priest of Mary Mata Town Parish, Newsweek. The occasion was so grand, extravagant and solemn.
The birthday of our Vice Principal, Reverend Sudan Reddy Garu, was celebrated on 13th August at St. Thomas High School, Newsweek, in a joyful and respectful atmosphere. Teachers and students conveyed their heartfelt wishes and gratitude for his dedicated service, guidance and inspirational leadership. The occasion was marked with warm greetings and a prayerful note. 77th Independence Day was celebrated in our school with patriotic spirit, solemnity, honor and gaiety. The Honorable Chief Guest, Brother Ronald Garu, hoisted the national flag. House-wise dance competitions were conducted for children on the occasion of Independence Day. Mandal Education Officer Mr. S. Chennai Garu has visited our school office. He verified records, visited some of the classrooms and went around the campus. He was happy with the school. Reverend Brother Shainalax Garu, our Provincial Superior of Hyderabad Province, paid an official visit to the school on 6th August. Brother provincial visit was a blessing and an encouragement to all of us. We thank him for his unstinted support. The fruits celebration to the KG section was colorful and educative. Children learned about different fruits, their nutritional value and the importance of healthy eating habits through fun activities and presentations. Colors Day was also celebrated to the KG students with great enthusiasm, helping young learners to identify colors and express creativity. The campus looked vibrant with the little one dressed in colorful attire.
Teachers' Day was celebrated with gratitude and respect for the teachers. Students expressed their love and appreciation through speeches, performances, and thoughtful gesture, making the occasion memorable.
Children's Day was celebrated joyfully with special programs organized by teachers. Fun activities, games, cultural performance made the day memorable for students.
The KG sections of our school celebrated semi-Christmas in a grand and joyful manner on 22nd December. The campus was beautifully decorated, creating a festive atmosphere filled with cheer and excitement. The tiny tots dressed in colorful Christmas costumes, spreading happiness and joy all around.
With the aim of enhancing analytical thinking, subject knowledge and competitive spirit among our students, competitive examinations in GK, mathematics and science were organized in our school by Engineers Syndicate Noble Minds. A large number of students participated with great enthusiasm and confidence. A seminar for MGA members was organized at Montfort Bhavan, Hyderabad, aiming to deepen understanding of Montfortian spirituality and to strengthen the role of educators and value-based education. Three of our teachers, Mr. D. Venkateshwara, Mrs. Nageshwaramma and Ms. Vandana, actually took part in the program. The spirit of Christmas was shared through semi-Christmas celebrations, spreading messages of love, peace and sharing unity among students. Sankranti is the festival of harvest and joy, was celebrated in a grand and traditional manner at St. Thomas High School, Newsweek. The campus was beautifully decorated with rangolis and festive decorations. Staff staff and students actively participate in cultural programs and festive activities, reflecting the rich culture heritage of our nation. This celebration spreads joy, unity, and respect for traditions among the school community.
On 9th January, the birthday of Reverend Brother George Reddy Garu was joyfully celebrated. The gracious presence of our former principal, Reverend Brother Channap Reddy Garu, on the same day made the occasion even more happy and memorable for all. The Republic Day celebrations were held with great pride, enthusiasm and spirit at St. Thomas High School on 26th January 2026.
A one-day Eco Club seminar was conducted at the Montfort Hub with the participation of students and teachers. The Eco Club committee prepared organic manure from waste materials without using pesticides and presented cultural programs to create environmental awareness. The program motivated students to adopt eco-friendly practices and protect the environment. We would like to conclude this annual report with profound gratitude to all our esteemed parents for their continued help, support and cooperation. We express our thanks to St. Thomas High School for molding and shaping us to be useful citizens. We, the St. Thomas School children, are confident that with the